Well, there's been some exciting news at Freename lately, and if you're a long-time Freenamer or a first-time Freenamer, I wanted to just slowly maybe go through the new website and just kind of bring you up to speed on some different things because I've always found that you never really know what to look at first. But I think the great thing about Freename is you got two choices of things to do with Freename. You can either buy Web3 domains, meaning a full domain name, a word or character emoji, dot, a word or character emoji, which is the universal acceptance method for a domain name, something dot something. So you can own a domain name where you pick the word to the left of the domain name, what we call the second level domain. Dot, then you have to the right the top level domain. So if I was pagehow.metaverse, pagehow would be my second level domain. .metaverse would be the top level domain name. I would own pagehow.metaverse as my unique, minted, blockchain-based digital identity that can be used for a wallet address, for a website, and can be seen by everyone who has got the Chrome or Firefox or Brave plugin. We expect that to increase over the future. Most importantly, if you own a TLD, meaning instead of buying pagehow.metaverse, you can think up your own top level domain name. I could think up .pageverse, and I could have my own space where people could register John.pageverse or toys.pageverse or today.pageverse. And I would make revenue every time someone bought domain names on my TLD. And I could control that community and I could lead that community forward. And if all those people in the community download the plugin, they can all see the .pageverse domain names or whatever you may pick out as your TLD. So you can do both of those things up here in the current search bar. So if I type in, let's say I'm doing some work and I think after Web3 domains are going to come Web4 domains. So I could type in Web4 domains and I could own the TLD Web4 domains for $79. And at the same point, if I wanted to, I could own Web4 domains in other TLDs like .topgym or no, I'm sorry. These are giving me suggestions of other TLDs I can own. And then if I wanted to, I could own the Web4 domains as my domain name, and I could own it in existing top-level domain names. Web4domains.prolife, Web4domains.worldnews. Or at the same time I buy .web4 domains, I could buy some domain names. But all that happens in the single search bar. One of the neat things about it is you can search for multiple domains in the search bar. So I could type in Web4 domains, Web5 domains, Web6 domains. And it would go ahead and tell me that I could own these TLDs, Web4 domains, Web5 domain. Oh, I see, I just put the singular there. And then you could add them to your cart and check out. And when you check out, you can pay using PayPal or you can pay using cryptocurrency. So a lot of you are familiar with cryptocurrency and paying with your wallet, paying with different currencies you have in your wallet. And then the way your name is delivered is it can just sit in your Freename account, or you can actually mint it to your wallet. Now, because domain names are kind of bridging Web3 and what we might call Web2 or the existing internet, some things will be more familiar to Web3 people. If I say minting or own it in your wallet, that's not a surprise. They understand that. But maybe if you've always owned a domain name at a registrar, this idea that you're going to own it yourself, you're going to have custody of your domain name in your own wallet. where it doesn't matter if the registrar that you deal with has rules or they don't like you or they want to do something. You control your own domain or your own TLD in your wallet. That's new for you as a Web 2 person, but a Web 3 person, a crypto person, a token holder, someone who's used to doing a lot with NFTs, they certainly expect that they'll be able to own each one of their domain names or their TLDs in their wallet. So right now in this first basic review of the new Freename system, we've got the ability to search for TLDs and domain names. You've got the ability to add them to your cart, and then you can pay for your cart using cryptocurrency or what we call fiat. That to most of us, that means regular money. First thing you want to do if you're new to Freename is set up an account or log in. This will at least give you the ability to have already gone through the confirmation process in case you get a crazy idea or you hear something online and you want to buy that TLD real fast, you'll already have an account. Plus, you'll be in the system to not only get a welcome coupon, but to understand any new news and other things that are happening on the Freename system. So welcome to Freename and hope that's helpful.